खेल खेल में, let us understand the advantage of a parallel grouping of appliances in wiring. Required: decorative fancy LED lights with two independent strings, AC supply and a splicer. Connect the fancy decorative light to the domestic AC supply and see all the LEDs lit up. Now, disconnect the fancy decorative light string and cut it from points X and X with a splicer such that only one LED comes out of the string AB. Connect the fancy light again to the electric supply. It is observed that none of the LEDs in branch AB are glowing, whereas all the LEDs in branch CD are lit. Here, branches AB and CD are parallel to each other, and each branch has equal number of LEDs in series. When only one LED in branch AB is not functioning in series, it makes the whole branch dead, whereas branch CD in parallel has no effect on it, and it continues to function normally.